Designed by an internationally acclaimed decorator, this exquisite Park Avenue apartment has been featured in Architectural Digest. Enter the gracious residence through a large formal gallery surrounded by beautifully lacquered walls. Then continue through one of 3 architecturally interesting archways, which connect to an expansive and gracious living room. Originally built as a 2-bedroom apartment, the living room has been enlarged to now include the space of what once was and could be again a full 2nd bedroom with ensuite bathroom. In addition, the living room has been gut renovated and the walls finished with Venetian plaster. A row of floor-to-ceiling windows frame tree-lined views, permitting natural light to fill the expansive room. Step through glass doors onto a private balcony overlooking Park Avenue's beautiful trees and flowers. Sit here with your morning coffee or relax with an after-dinner aperitif. The spacious master bedroom accommodates a sitting area, has 4 closets, and a wall of built-in cabinets. The sizable ensuite bathroom is complete with a soaking tub. Apartment 4C has a windowed kitchen, 2nd full bathroom, and numerous closets, including 2 walk-ins. Washer-dryers are allowed. This residence is located on arguably one of the most sought-after streets on the Upper East Side, 72nd Street and Park Avenue. Close by are the finest boutiques, restaurants, and museums. 750 Park Avenue is a full-service co-op. Sorry, pets are not permitted. Pied-à-terres are welcome.